Hey everyone!
Hey Kaitlyn.
So we are going to be making some cube steak tonight, and we are going to be using the new can opener that Mr. Odie got me, the electric one. And we also have some au jus and some cream of chicken that we're going to be mixing up and then pouring it on.
Now we like us some cube steak that Mama makes, That's in the grease, but Kaitlyn said she wasn't quite ready for that, so we Googled a recipe for in the oven, and then we just kind of, I don't know, had a whole bunch of other stuff, but we just wanted to keep it kind of simple, so we're just going to try it. We haven't ever done it this way. So what have you been up to, Kaitlyn?
Not much of anything. Let's see, today's Monday, so yesterday we hung out with Grandma, and we got to see Anna.
Yeah, she got to come in town. I didn't go in first, so I didn't get to video her response to seeing Anna. It was so cute, though. She said, "Oh my goodness!"
I never tried an electric one.
No, you can push that all the way to the back if you want.
I'm a little nervous. That's the thing I put right here, right?
I have no idea, honestly.
You don't know
You
how
just
to work it?
haven't played with it. I'm gonna let you figure it out.
I don't think I want to figure it out.
You do put it on the edge there.
Like that?
No, I think it's more flat.
Like that?
I think it probably has to go to like the edge, doesn't it?
Are there instructions?
I don't know.
Because I don't want this to sling everywhere.
I feel like we could just. Can you figure out how to get it on there? Let's see. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's got a little magnet there.
I'm scared. It's a magnet.
There's like a little magnet that
What
holds
does it
in.
do?
Like makes it go around, I think. I don't know. Push the button and let's see.
I don't know about this.
It's fun to try out the new. I mean, we can always read the directions, but that's kind of boring. Let go of it. It does it all by itself.
Now we're stuck.
And we don't have it on there right. Hang on. We'll figure this out. Let's
How do I turn it off?
Hold on.
Oh, that wasn't even on. But like, I don't know if I'm...
Look at it, Kaitlyn. All I did was just readjust it and turn it
If it
on.
flings out, I'm going to be screaming.
Why would it swing out?
I don't know.
It may just be going around and not doing anything, but it looks like it's doing something.
Yeah, it is. Let's see fingers. Is it stop?
Oh, you just turn it off. You got to turn it off first.
Okay, there we go. Oh.
Can't be scared to just try something new.
Well, it was a little
You
intimidating.
can get the little scooper in, or I've always just wiped mine on the can to get it, but it don't matter.
Put it in there.
Well, I mean, with the little scooper, yeah, but I mean, what I'm saying is I usually just scrape it on my can, and
Oh.
but it's fine, however you want to do it.
I didn't know what you were talking about.
Like that, that's good.
Okay. So you know the cheese that comes in these cans that you cook with?
Mm-hmm.
You eat them with like chips or anything, or is it only cookable?
I mean, I imagine you can eat it if you want. I don't know. I've never bought it.
You could probably eat this if you wanted it.
Yeah, I mean, some people do, I think. They probably like mix it with water and heat it up and thin it out and maybe,
It'd
I
be
don't
good
know.
in some what's that soup? Chicken noodle soup.
Make it a little thicker.
Mm-hmm. think I got everything down.
All right.
Almost.
That's fine. Just sit it down and stir it up. You want to hand me your
Oh, yeah, this thingy.
lay it off to the side? That looks good there, I think. Oops, I'm pushing buttons. I'm sure there's a... Ah, oh no. Played with it till it turned off.
We've never made a cube steak, I don't think. Not like this, especially.
No, I have fried it before, and boy, it was good. I only did it one time, and you said that was the best cube steak you had ever had. But I don't usually fry stuff, so.
We have fried gator. What's this supposed to look like?
Well, that's fine. You just want to get all the powder off the bottom.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Did you? See, I probably just because I just gonna let you figure it out. But I probably would have done like the cream of chicken first and put the powder on top. I feel like it might would have been a little easier. Either way, it won't matter that you're mixing it
Well,
up.
I didn't know that.
I know, it's fine. I just figured it may be easier to get off the bottom, but I don't know.
I think it's all mixed up.
All right, good.
That was a workout.
I have used this, but I've added some Worcestershire to like my roast beef that you put in the crock pot and cook all day, you know. So
Just pour it on there.
maybe it ain't gonna pour. It's kind of thick. You're gonna have to.
Oh, yeah.
And it should come out pretty easy. You should be able to.
This may be good, who knows? Oh, our oven's ready. Oh, I forgot to say, you preheat the oven to 350.
Yep. And it says cook it for 2 hours
Mhm.
covered.
Oh, how did I get au jus right there? I don't know.
Diesel's in there playing with his toys.
Mm-hmm. He likes to sit in his swing and swing.
And remember, if you turn that sideways and just scrape the walls, you can sweep the whole thing.
Look at that.
You just make it flat on the sides and go around.
Won't come off.
So that's probably good.
Okay. You gotta spread it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all nice and coated. It looks like peanut butter.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
People will be done. Started thinking we're doing peanut butter on our cube steak.
That would taste a little weird.
'Cause I bet you whenever
Oh, I'm doing the back end. Oops.
I bet whenever it uploads, it's gonna you know how it like freezes somewhere in the middle of your video. It's probably gonna look like we have peanut butter spread on it. Let's see.
Is that good?
You want to cover any of that meat?
Oh. I tried to cover it as best I could.
And just kind of walk it up to things a little bit. There you go. That's good. All right. Let me get the rest of it out of that cup. I bet I can get a little bit more out.
Mm-hmm.
Pause it and be back.
Alright, so we have some tin foil to cover it before we put it in the oven. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go.
You got it on your shirt.
Oh. I didn't even notice. Okay, what did she do?
You're going to have to go longer than that, though.
I know.
So if you hold that like kind of loose. I don't know how to do it two-handed too. You'll have to figure it out, I guess. It's going to have to go longer than that, though. Diesel.
Diesel, thanks for eating.
Okay, here. You pull. Okay, that's good, baby. Quit pulling. Hold on. We got way too much now.
Oh.
Let's see.
Alright, so now it's time to
Take it like that. There, you see the little thingies there? Yeah, like that. There you go. Have to pull it down, like angle it down. So they've got the little.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, spread it out so that you get it on both sides. And cover it. So like I take it like this. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to. Oh, you see where it's kind of dipped in on top of the meat? You pull it out of there on top of it. There you go. Okay. Yeah. You just can't pull it. You see how it's got opened up on that side? But you can tuck these ends like this up underneath the little handles. And not under the whole dish, baby. Just like right here under the handle on both ends. That's what I do. I do the ends first, and then I just fold it over to the sides. I don't guess that we've ever covered anything with you on video. And it's laying on the meat, I can tell, but it's okay. It'll cook just the same. Let's get a pan out to sit it on. That way, if there's any leakage over it or whatever out of it, that it'll. Here, we'll do this one. This one's a little bit lighter for you. That was pretty heavy.
hold on, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Let's see. You gotta help me with those.
There we go. Okay. Wow.
I know it's going to be heavy. That's why I didn't want you to use out of the pan. I didn't think you'd be able to open it. Okay, but you see how you have it. So that stuff can drip out of the aluminum foil. And if you don't have it on the pan, it'll get on the bottom of your oven. And that's a lot of work to clean your oven. All right. So it's beat.
You gonna help me get it in?
How do you want me to?
It's heavy.
Okay. Let's see if I can.
Wow, that's like super.
All right. You get that side. You need. Okay.
Oh, my fingers burnt.
Baby, you got to get it up. Whew.
That's a thin.
I think you gave up on me.
Sorry. I didn't want my fingers burnt.
Thought you were supposed to let go of it. I was like, it's not on the thing yet.
2 hours.
Yep.
Alright, we will come back when it's done.
Maybe it'll be yummy. I'm a little hungry. I may have to find something to tide me over. But you ate some Taco Bell, so you're good, huh?
And Diesel was squawking.
Yes, Diesel was being naughty on video again. He knows. He always knows. All right, we'll go back and let y'all know.
Alright, bye everyone. Hey everyone. So our food is ready. We gotta very fine. Let me get this tin foil off. Okay. Alright, tin foil's off. That's what it looks like.
Hadn't even stirred it. Just got it out of the oven. I helped her off camera.
You want me to stir it?
Oh, it don't matter. Whatever you want to do. You can just get it out and taste. Do a taste test if you want to cut it up.
Okay. I'm gonna get a fork. I'm gonna blow on. It's gonna be hot.
You need to let that sit for a second.
It's like we used to have this at school. Yeah.
Maybe it'll taste a little better than school food.
Maybe. When we had what was it? What's the meat that's fried with the gravy?
Country fried steak.
When we used to have country fried steak, everybody would be lined up at the door.
Yep, that
That was the best meal.
That was the one of the times she'd come home and be excited about lunch.
Any other time was a little rough.
Now, we didn't add any additional seasonings. We didn't add any garlic powder or anything. We literally just did the 2 ingredients. So we'll see if this is enough or if it's bland.
That was really good.
Is it?
It tastes like pot roast.
Oh, really? Does it have it has a good flavor? Oh, good. You'll have to get a fork and let me taste it.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even get you one.
I know. I'm just sitting here waiting patiently.
You want to cut it? Or
You can just do one corner off the back there that you hadn't ate off of yet. Better cut me a big one. You can just cut that in half. That's a lot.
You don't want that much?
Not that much. That's a lot. Almost like I got my mouth full on video. Not that I'm going to be on video. I'm just going to...
Better blow on it.
Oh, I'm over here pushing buttons. I didn't lock it back. It is good. I think it has plenty of flavor. Now, I think it'd be good with like mashed potatoes. Some homemade mashed potatoes would have been
Or some
really good.
instant mashed potatoes.
Or instant, I guess, but you can't beat a good old homemade mashed potato. Yeah, that would have been good. Oh well. Still in another.
Alright, so I hope everyone will try out this recipe. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Y'all have a wonderful night.
Y'all have a good night. Bye, everyone.